Hello gem enthusiasts, and welcome back to another edition of the Gem Geek with the concierge gemologist Jake Talvey Goodman. Welcome to our exploration of the vibrant world of apatite. Today, we'll delve into its origins, scientific formation, unique characteristics, cultural significance, and uses in jewelry. Let's uncover the secrets of this captivating gem that sparkles in an array of beautiful colors. Apatite is a fascinating mineral found in various parts of the world, including Brazil, Mexico, Myanmar, Russia, and even the United States. It forms in igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks, making it a versatile and widespread mineral. In countries like Madagascar and Brazil, where some of the most vibrant apatite is sourced, sustainable mining practices are becoming increasingly important. Efforts are made to minimize environmental degradation through responsible mining methods, such as reducing deforestation and managing water resources effectively. Furthermore, there are initiatives to support local mining communities by ensuring fair compensation, improving working conditions, and promoting education and health services. These sustainable practices help preserve the environment and enhance the well-being of the communities involved in apatite mining. The name apatite is derived from the Greek word apate, meaning deceit, due to its similarity to other gemstones such as topaz, peridot, and beryl. This chameleon-like quality makes apatite an intriguing gemstone. Apatite is actually a group of phosphate minerals which feature the same chemical formula. It forms in various geological environments, including hydrothermal veins and pegmatites. The most prized varieties of apatite are those with vivid colors, such as neon blue and green, which are primarily found in Madagascar and Brazil. The vibrant colors of apatite are due to the presence of trace elements like manganese, iron, and rare earth elements, giving each crystal its unique hue. Apatite is known for striking colors ranging from neon blue to green to yellow, pink, and purple. The most sought-after variety is the neon blue-green apatite, often referred to as Paraiba-like, due to its resemblance to the famous Paraiba tourmaline. Apatite has a Mohs hardness of 5, making it somewhat softer than other gemstones. This means it requires careful handling and protective settings in jewelry to prevent scratches and damage. Throughout history, apatite has been admired for its beauty and believed to possess various metaphysical properties. It is often associated with clarity, creativity, and communication. In crystal healing, apatite is thought to stimulate the mind and enhance focus and learning. Despite its relatively recent rise in popularity, apatite has quickly become a favorite among gemstone enthusiasts and collectors for its vibrant colors and perceived benefits. Apatite's vivid colors make it a popular choice in jewelry, especially in statement pieces that showcase its brilliant hues. It is commonly used in rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. Jewelers often cut apatite into faceted stones or cabochons to highlight its color and clarity. Due to its relative softness, apatite is best suited for earrings and pendants, which are less exposed to wear and tear. With proper care, apatite jewelry can be a stunning addition to any collection. Apatite is a gem that dazzles its array of colors and intriguing properties. Its unique formation, vibrant appearance, and growing popularity make it a cherished gemstone in the world of jewelry and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of apatite. The Gem Geek is your resource for everything gemstones. Stay tuned for future videos exploring the fascinating world of gems, their properties, and their significance. Remember to like and follow our content so that you are notified when there is something new to see. Thanks for joining us.